Hi, this is Yuli from AGC Lighting. Are you suffering from high electricity bills? Don't worry, AGC has a perfect solar street light ST43 to solve your problem. Well, it's all the power comes from sunlight, no wiring, no electric bills, and very easy to install. It is an equipment with a high conversion efficiency solar panels, reach 21%, and a high capacity battery. The life cycles more than 2,000 times. Very high efficiencies up to 200 lumen per watt. Besides, it has a perfect lighting distribution, and it provides a flexible install options with post top and side entry. Perfectly used for outdoor locations such as highways, roads, countries, communities, and so on. If you have ST43 solar street lights, you will take these benefits. Explore new business models with solar lights. AGC will make your future bright.